how to check your CPU temperature on your MacBook. So if you open your activity monitor and you want to click into your CPU section, there is nothing about the temperature of your CPU. So we will need another app to check CPU temperature. So simply open this website, it's the macstats.com, and you can download it for free. I just did it, and move it to your applications and open stats. It will open you this window. I'm gonna go next. You can choose if you want to start it when you turn on your Mac, and it should be here in your top menu bar. You can click it, and now we want to customize it. So go to your settings. Now on the left, go to CPU section and enable CPU. Now you have to stop this program. As you can see here in top menu bar, it stopped, and now play it again or start it again. And the CPU icon or widget is here. You can click it. These are the CPU stats, and here you can see the temperature of the CPU. So this was how you can check your temperature of your CPU. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.